In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini with Google Sheets. So it is very easy. What you need to do is go to gemini.google.com and after that log into your Google account. So the next step is of course to enter a prompt to create some data. Now as you can see, I have created a prompt. Create a Google Sheets for the following. How many products have I sold in my shop? The 1st of October, 1 product. The 2nd of October, 4 products. The 3rd of October, 2 products. And the 4th of October, 6 products. So I gave Google Gemini some data to use in my Google Sheet. Now the next step is of course to submit this prompt. Once you have done this, you will see that this is created by Google Gemini. Now the next step is of course to get this data into a Google Sheet. So what we will do is basically go to this icon, share and export. Next, click on copy contents. Now you need to go to the Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Once you have done this, then you can just copy and paste this into your sheet. And as you can see, we have now created the table over here with all the data you want to use in your Google Sheets. And this is how you use Google Gemini with your Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!